Hey beauty family, hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T Beauty, and of course I am back with another video. I actually wanted to incorporate a little bit more styling videos on my channel, a little bit more hair videos on my channel as well. So in this video you are going to see how I do my sleek bun hairstyle. This bun is perfect for my relaxed girls who like to transition for a period of time, who like to stretch their relaxers. This style is really good for that. I just wanted to show you guys how I do my little sleek bun. It's very easy to do, a super classic, okay, very classic hairstyle. So also, if you like my hair videos, give this video a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel so that I can keep making great content for you ladies, great content for you guys out there. If you are new, welcome to the beauty gang, the beauty life. I am so happy you're here, and let's get into the hair tutorial. All right, so first things first, because my hair is about 6 months post, I have a lot of new growth. It is very thick. So to do this hairstyle, what I usually do is I start by dampening my new growth so that I'm able to manipulate my hair the way that I want to. So to do that, I use this product right here. You could just use water as well, but I like this because it gives my hair a bit of hydration. So this one is the Auntie Jackie's Hydrating Silkening Hair Milk. So that's what this is. So basically it's good for daily use, and it gives your hair like a boost of moisture. So that's what I like to use on my scalp. So I'm just gonna start by spraying it. The only thing I can say about this is that I'm not super big on the nozzle itself. Like, it doesn't mist, it just sprays. So I don't really like that. So if you want to try this product, bear that in mind. Oh my god, this stuff smells so good. I love it. It smells like coconuts. This makes my natural hair a lot more malleable, but I don't put a lot on the ends of my hair because my ends are relaxed and I don't want to dampen the ends too much. So, and then I'm just gonna go in with a brush like this and start to brush it out. Okay, so now I'm actually getting my smaller tooth comb and deciding where I would like my part to be. I actually prefer a side part for this style, but I've also done many variations of where I would like to place my parting. So that's just what I'm doing here. Okay, so once I actually have the placement of where I would like my parting to go, I start to begin to gel down my hair. So for this, obviously, I'm using the Eco Styler gel, and to achieve this style, you need a lot of gel. So I'm not just gonna be placing the gel on the top portion of my hair, I'm actually going to be placing the gel throughout my hair as well, so that it will stay nice and flat. Okay, that is a pro tip right there. Once the gel has been placed throughout different sections of my hair, I actually begin to start the smoothing process. So as you can see, I'm just using my hands at first to smooth the hair down, and then of course I will go through with a stiffer hairbrush to really smooth it down. Like, this is how you get your hair to lie really flat, especially if you are transitioning like I am, or if you're just taking a break from your relaxer like I am. So yeah, just bear that in mind. In order to have the style come out the way you want it to, you will have to add as much gel as possible and to smooth it out. Okay, so once I actually have my hair fairly smooth, I actually start to bring back my hair into the actual ponytail. I highly suggest you take your time with this. I think this is probably the most tedious part of the entire process. Yeah, so you will see me going back and forth a bunch of times just to ensure that my ponytail is exactly where I want it to be, and of course going through my ponytail with a stiffening brush just to make it 10 times smoother. But yes, like I said, take your time with this. It will turn out 10 times better the more patient you are with this hairstyle. Now, once you're happy with the smoothness and the correct placement of your ponytail, you can actually begin to go through and start basically just tidying up the hairstyle, seeing if there's any bumps or anything like that, because the key is to make this as flat and as smooth as possible. So that's just what I'm doing here, and of course I show you the back to show you what it looks like from the back. I was very happy with how this looked. My favorite part of this hairstyle is slicking down my edges. So to do that, I actually used the Got2b styling glue. That is the only thing that works on my edges when I am this far past or this many weeks post relaxer. So that's just what I'm doing there, just to keep my edges smooth. Like, I don't go super crazy with my baby hairs. My baby hairs are very curly, so I just like to just slick them down just a little bit. I also add some more of that Got2b glued on the top portion of my hair as well. This just kind of helps it stay in place a little bit longer. So that's just what I'm doing there. So the next step is very important. I'm using a satin headband to tie my edges down, and I leave that on for maybe 20 minutes to half an hour, and this is what gives my hair that extra added smoothness, as you can see once I remove it here. So you can see the difference there. It's so much more smooth. The gel has set and we are good to go. Okay, so this last step is actually optional, but for me, because I'm not adding any extra hair or any extensions like that, I actually like to tease and back comb my ponytail before placing in a bun, just to add that extra volume, that extra texture, to make my bun a little bit bigger than it actually is. So that's just what I'm doing there. And pretty soon you'll see the final result there. So as you can see, that's just how it looks. I am so happy with how this turned out. This is such a classic hairstyle. It is beyond gorgeous. And hopefully these tips helped you ladies who are natural, who are relaxed and taking a break from your relaxer. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.